Hello and welcome back to our channel. I am Taha. And you are watching Daily Forex News YouTube channel. Hopefully you all will be fine. Let's start today. Gold gloom returns, Fed fears clip the wings of the shiny metal. Gold fanatics, brace yourselves for a rollercoaster ride. After basking in 2 days of sunshine, the golden gleam just got dimmed by some Fed frights. Let's unpack this market maneuver. Fed forecast fades. Remember all those whispers about the Fed cutting rates in March? Forget it. Recent economic data and hawkish chatter from Fed bigwigs have thrown cold water on those fantasies. This means no rate cut boost for gold, and that's pushing its price down. Equity buzz bites. Stocks seem to be feeling cheery lately, further taking the wind out of gold's sails. Investors prefer taking risks when things look rosy, leaving the safe haven of gold a little less appealing. Geopolitical gloom glimmer, but wait, there's a twist. Tensions in the Middle East are still simmering, and China's economy is looking wobbly. These uncertainties could throw a lifeline to gold's safe haven status, potentially preventing it from plummeting. Bond bounce backs gold. US bond yields, which usually move inversely to gold, are retreating slightly. This means the dollar isn't feeling so strong, which could also help keep gold's price from nosediving. So, what's next for the golden glint? Fed focus. Keep an eye on the Fed's next moves. If they stay hawkish, gold might struggle. Geopolitical gauntlet. Any escalation in the Middle East or further worries about China could boost gold's safe haven appeal. Technical tilt. Don't forget the charts. $1,800 is a key support level for gold. If it breaks below, that could signal a steeper fall. Stay tuned for the gold rush update. This precious metal saga is far from over. Subscribe to Daily Forex News for expert analysis, market insights, and all the tools you need to navigate the ever-shimmering world of gold. Be a savvy gold investor.